Hey everyone, it's me Jenny and welcome to the channel Living Lini. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to crochet this 6 petals flower. It is very easy. I'm going to show you step by step on how to crochet, and you only need very little yarn. You can use scrape yarn to do this project. And for the yarn and crochet hook, I do recommend you to use, for the crochet hook, I do recommend you to use one size smaller compared to what the yarn label recommended. So for example, this yellow yarn, I use this yarn. This is a medium weight yarn number 4 or worsted weight yarn, and you can see right there the recommended crochet hook is 5 mm, but I use one size smaller, which is 4 mm, because I want the stitches to be a little bit tight for this flower. Okay, so it's very easy. I'm going to show you step by step how to crochet, and the stitch right here that we use for the petal is double treble crochet. Okay, so I'm going to show you right now, and without further ado, let's start. Okay, we're going to start by making magic loop. This is how I do my magic loop. You can do your magic loop however way that you prefer. Wrap the yarn around fingers, hold it right there, twist the yarn and hold it right here, hook in the loop, yarn over and pull up a loop. Okay, so you made your magic loop or magic ring. Now we're going to do this part right here. We're going to start with chain 2, 1, 2. This chain 2 does not count as stitch count. Now we're going to make 11 double crochet in this loop right here. Okay, so to make double crochet, you're going to yarn over, hook in this circle, the loop, yarn over, pull up a loop. You have 3 loops on your crochet hook. Now yarn over, pull the yarn through 2 loops. Now yarn over and bring the yarn through 2 loops. So you made the first double crochet. Now we're going to do the rest of the double crochet stitch. We're going to make total 11 double crochet. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so after you made 11 double crochet, we're going to close the hole at the middle by pulling this tail. Okay, now to finish up, we're going to slip stitch on the first double crochet right here. Slip stitch. Okay, now we're going to chain 1 and you're going to cut the yarn. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to do these petals right here. For the petal, it's pretty easy. We're going to use the double treble crochet stitch. I'm going to show you step by step on how to do the double treble stitch. So we're going to make a slip knot, hook in the stitch. You're going to put exactly the same stitch where we did the slip stitch right here. Okay, so we're going to start with chain 5 right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so in the next stitch right here, in the following stitch, we're going to make 3 double treble stitch. 1, 2, 3. Okay, to make the double treble stitch, you're going to yarn over 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Hook in the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop. You have 5 loops on your crochet hook. Now yarn over, bring the yarn through 2 loops, yarn over, bring through 2 loops, yarn over, bring through 2 loops, and yarn over, bring through both of the loops. Okay, so you made the first double treble crochet. Now we're going to do the second stitch. So yarn over, you're going to bring through 2 loops, yarn over, bring through 2 loops, yarn over, bring through 2 loops, and yarn over, bring through the last 2 loops. Okay, so we made 2. Now you're going to do the third double treble crochet stitch. Okay, so we made 3, 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to finish up the first petal with chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now we're going to slip stitch in the next stitch right here. Okay, so done with the first petal. Now we're going to do the second petal. We're going to start at the same stitch where we finish the first petal. So in the same stitch, we're going to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now in the next stitch, the following stitch, we're going to make 3 double treble crochet stitch. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so to finish up the second petal, we're going to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and slip stitch in the following stitch right here. Okay, so done with the second petal. Now you're going to do the third petal at the same stitch. You're going to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the following stitch, we're going to make 3 double treble stitch. Okay, so now we're going to finish up petal number 3. We're going to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we're going to slip stitch at the following stitch. Okay, you're going to repeat until you make total of 6 petals. Okay, so the last petal slip stitch should be right here. Okay, so now I'm going to do the last petal, petal number 6. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to make 3 double treble crochet in the last stitch right here. Okay, so now we're going to chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, And now we're going to slip stitch right here at the same stitch where we start the first petal. Okay, slip stitch at the same stitch. We're going to chain one to secure the stitches and cut the yarn and pull the yarn through the loops. Okay. I hope you find this tutorial easy to follow. If you have any question, leave your question at the comment section down below. I will try my very best to reply. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video and share this video with your fellow crochet friends. And yeah, that's all for now, and take care everyone. God bless and bye.